So this is the new interface for the chip embedded applications. As usual, you start with your personal information, your passport photograph, your telephone number, your surname, your first name, any other name, your maiden name. These are your personal details, your date of birth. This comes in the first section of the chip embedded passport application. It is effective from May, that's this month, and once Parliament approves, there will be a price reduction on the usual passport application fees, promising a delivery time of less than 3 weeks. That's amazing. Yes, and that's the power of tech. So once you are done with your personal information, we move to evidence of citizenship. Your evidence of citizenship can be your national ID, your birth certificate, and any other information you need. So once you enter your father, your mother details, your residential address, your grandparents' address, one is required for this application. Once you are done with that, you are done with the evidence of citizen section. In fact, ideally, if you compare this application to the old passport application, this is quite improved and very simple and easy to apply. We can't wait for Parliament to approve the reduction for the new biometric, new chip embedded applications. So this is the interface once again for evidence of citizenship. Once you are done through with this, you have to upload a few documents to back your claim. So in the document section, we have your birth certificate, your national ID card, your dual citizenship card if it applies, your naturalization card, and your voter ID. For a weird reason, Ghana card is not on the list, but who am I to say about that? So let's focus on the application. So you have birth cert, national ID card, dual citizenship card, naturalization card, and voter ID card. Once you have, I think, 2 or 3 of these, you are good to go. After that, you move forward to the guarantor section. A guarantor must be a reputable person. Your full name, the guarantor's full name, and their details as well. Once you are done with the guarantor section, we move forward to the witness section. So guarantor normally is someone related to you. In case of emergency, they can contact. Yes. Then for the witness section, you can use me, or if I know you, a reputable person to be your witness for your application. I believe you enjoyed this short and brief process on how to apply for the new chip embedded passport. This is your guy GOT. Please, let's promote Ghanaian content. And we hope that this switch makes a switch in several applications and tools we use online when it comes to citizenship. Thank you very much.
Have you heard Ghana's passport